Hello everyone, this is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, Plus, can I do this without knocking my phone over? I'm cleaning the rubber seal. Already started, so it's a bit of a let down that you can see that it actually is getting cleaner. But the look. So anyway, try to figure out a way to do this so I don't have to use one hand to hold it, because I'm going to get in there. Very dirty. Don't know what's in there. Lots of dust probably, construction dust and everything else kind of dust. That, ooh, gross. And then there's this whole pile here. There, you can see that. Look at it. Trying to keep it cloth going this way, not that way, like this, because it grabs stuff noticeably better. See that? I mean, I'm sure there's lots of other stuff that other products that do that, but I'm here demonstrating Norwex, so I'll continue. Not going to be too long. I may not even finish the whole thing because it's a lot of the same rubbing on a different area. It's a really dirty section right there. Ooh, what is that? Oh, dust. So it's probably sanding dust, drywall dust. Oops. Closer to the phone. As you can see, it's getting cleaner. So this is Norwex, which one is this? Norwex Kitchen versus the gunky, dusty, grimy fridge, rubberish or whatever. I don't know what kind of material this is. It's an old fridge. Not sure if it's real rubber, like vulcanized rubber maybe. See, it gets cleaner. So yeah, there is a quick little thing. It's not totally done, but you get the idea. It works rather well. And so, one quick little thing. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus the dirty seal of an old fridge. Hope you all have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Stay awesome. Stay adventurous. Bye.